Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the only components that make Screencast possible on a non-smart TV, a source device and an HDMI path. Use a laptop or phone with an HDMI output or a compact adapter that converts USB-C or Lightning to HDMI. Once done, select a high-quality HDMI cable, and if you need recording or streaming, add an HDMI capture device between source and TV. This direct wired approach avoids network hassles and guarantees low latency and stable video for screencasting. You now physically connect and configure displays. Plug the adapter or device into the TV HDMI port and switch the TV input to that port. On your laptop or phone, choose Duplicate or Extend Display to control what appears. Use 1280x720 or 1920x1080 resolution for best compatibility. Once done, adjust display scaling and audio output to the HDMI device so sound routes to the TV. Make sure power to phone/laptop. You finish by recording or streaming the mirrored feed. Launch a recorder on your laptop or capture software on the connected PC when using an HDMI capture device. For phones, start the built-in screen recorder while HDMI outputs. Once done, monitor audio sync and perform a short test clip. If the TV shows a blank or black screen, check for HDCP restrictions, swap the HDMI cable, lower output resolution, or try a different HDMI input. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.